Hi there, Colin here with American Plant, and today we're doing one of a little two-part video series for fall lawn care. I'm going to go ahead and introduce everything I'm going to go over in the video, just so you know what you're looking for. Nice sturdy garden rake, core aerator, pH tester. If you have a larger yard, you're definitely going to want a spreader, and lawn fertilizer and lime as well. First thing we're going to go over is pH for your lawn. We want our lawns to be in between 6.5 and 7. That's sort of the sweet spot. Over time, lawns can get a little higher than that, and that's why we need to apply lime. But before you do any of that, you are going to want to test your pH. We carry great little pH rapid test meters, very easy to use, very accurate. You want to do these in different places throughout your yard and then take an average, so that way you know how much lime to use and follow the directions for application on the bag. All right, so cleaning up your lawn's really important before we do any other work. So a nice good garden rake. Obviously you want to remove any debris off the surface. That's the easy part. But then you also want to come back and work the thatch a bit. And you can be pretty aggressive with that. You're not going to hurt your lawn. You're actually going to expose more of the soil. So that way, when we go to apply lime or fertilizer and a little later on seed, you're actually going to get all the way down to the soil where it needs to be. All right, so when you're raking, obviously you're going to remove debris on top of the grass. But then after you do that, you want to come back through, be a little bit more aggressive to get down into the thatch to expose some more of the soil. When you do this, you can do short, quick strokes to get all the way down. You're not going to hurt the grass when you do this, and you're actually just pulling up any dead remnants on top of the soil as you do so. Big thing to remember as well, this lawn is pretty good, and it actually has a decent amount of clover in it as well. Clover is not a bad thing to have in your lawn. It's a legume, and it's actually going to naturally affix nitrogen from the air and put it into the soil to help create a healthier lawn. So it's actually very nice that it's in this lawn. All right, another tool you might find useful, especially if you have pretty dense soil in your yard, this is a core aerator. These are pretty easy to use, which is great because you're able to just use your own body weight to push them into the ground. So it makes them a little easier. And these are going to take out nice long 3 to 4 inch pieces of earth. What that is going to allow to happen is everything we apply later to get deeper into the soil, which is going to help promote deeper root growth for our lawns. All right, and now we're going to go over a couple spreaders. Of course, we have the ones for a larger yard that have a hopper you can push around. What's nice is we carry major brands of these, so the directions for application is going to be on almost every bag to let you know what number to have it on. Even the smaller handheld ones have gotten so much nicer, little wrist support there. So even a yard this size, you could very easily do with a handheld.